Let my nigga eat, bro. Look at my nigga, dog. Look at my nigga, dog. My nigga skinny, dog.
Motion gang! What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's a young mukbang, you feel me? I'm here with the boys.
Nah, say, that's what I'm saying.
Stop it. Get some help.
But anyways, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and notification bell. So
You heard what he said. You heard what he said,
Hey
man.
man, what's happening, man? The real flosser out here.
Feel me?
Yeah, what's up? It's your boy LOOOSE, you feel me? Don't play with that tag, man. Yes, sir.
Oh, SLUGG LUIGI.
Today's just a young mukbang. You know what I'm saying? Today you're gonna watch me eat.
No cap.
And you're gonna be entertained because you're watching me eat.
And we're not gonna feed y'all niggas. I know y'all niggas are hungry. We're not gonna feed y'all. For real.
If you were trapped in a like a desert island, who would be the last one to survive?
This nigga.
No.
Yeah, I feel like this nigga is like the weakest link, you feel me?
Yeah, for real. I feel like Brody wouldn't like survive without water in like an hour, dog.
Thanks.
Bro, what we having today is like a kota and some pizza, you feel me? Just young. We trying something different.
Yo, tell him who made this special kata though.
Joe, the kota was made by our auntie, boy. This nigga's mom.
Man, it's
Both of these
right,
niggas, bro. This is good, bro. This is good. If you guys want some kota, hey, this is not some any kota, bro. This is different, bro. This is like some top class
Can I go
kota.
show them what we got?
Great.
Eighth grade. Look at what we got. Look at what we got. Look at what we got. Y'all see this?
Tell him, man.
How is the price? Tell them what. Tell them how much.
95 rand.
350. Don't play.
350 for this one. Your whole dad's ground for this one.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
That's great.
That's a bar. You're saying?
I got a question. Like, when do you guys think you guys are prepared to have children in your life?
Never.
I feel like
In my early 30s.
You need to shut the fuck up.
isn't early 30s too like isn't like way too far, dog.
I don't want a kid right
Who's
now.
my-
That's the one I feel I'm saying.
Dog, my parents are old because my dad had me in his 40s. My mom had me in her 30s, bro.
I
My mom was like 37.
7.
Damn.
What?
5-second rule.
Personally for me,
Shit,
bro,
hold on, y'all.
late 20s. Late 20s. What do you
Hey,
up?
bro. 5-second rule, man.
Brother,
Come on with the question, man.
Can I ask y'all a simple question? How was your day, bro? I know it was good, but like, what y'all feeling?
Let's be on that.
Just have to get
Yo,
some coke.
Nah, this is good, no cap.
Nice.
McDonald's don't compete with his fries, bro. They slap murder in the top, bro.
Who's more late? McDonald's or this quarter?
This
Today, this guy.
Yeah.
Yo, dog, this food is so good that I'm forgetting I need to ask these questions.
Essa roupa tá torcida. What's up?
Does a girl's body count really matter, bro?
It does, yeah, it does. Damn, bro, you trying to be sick. Like, respectfully talking, like, you tryna
It
be
does.
sick.
Why does it?
This is just an example, right? Say you got a Mercedes. Would you want to buy a Mercedes with a lot of mileage?
Nah.
You want a new, right? Perfect. I mean, this is if you're trying to cuff that hunt. If you're not trying to cuff and you're just trying to be on some, you feel me? Then alright. You do you. If you're trying to cuff.
No.
For me, I'm not sure.
How you feel about that? Slug, how you feel about that?
You like,
Niggas still young, bro. Can you let my niggas
Bruh.
eat? Do y'all see that? Y'all see that nigga? That's that hungry ass nigga. No pizza.
Yo, Pete. I don't want to be funny, Pete. You can have mine. You can have mine, bro.
eat that. Eat that.
You can have mine.
Eat that.
We can share, no care.
Man. You tummy smiling. My tummy doing backflips. What your tummy doing?
That's front flips.
Yo, you tummy doing front flips. Your tummy doing the guara guara. You call that the guara guara.
What goes up and never comes down?
Age. Boo.
I can't answer that.
Nigga, you done?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. Yo.
Oh!
Me too. Yo, this is my favorite. You can't mess with nobody's favorite meal, dog. We eat it right now. Chow it done.
I'm not even done yet, bro.
I mean,
A few moments later.
let's take a look at pedophiles, man. What happens for that nigga to be a pedophile? What goes up and never comes down? Back in time. What
Can you
goes
please
up?
repeat that?
What goes up? And never, nah. Yum 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 yum. My nigga, if you seeing this right now, my tummy's smiling, dog. Top of the moon, bro. We like, yo, my nigga, if you understand how much you did today, dog, you understand how much, like, our tummies are so happy to enjoy this wonderful food. You know what I'm saying? Food that is made out of love.